News 4's Mike Syka has the story.
Putting smiles on children's faces is what Make-A-Wish is all about. A special Make-A-Wish visit from Santa fresh off the Macy's parade had the kids grinning ear to ear.
Merry Christmas! Hello!
And he is here today at the Wendell Fire Company to visit with some of our Wish families and just take a little time out of the day to spend some time with them and get everybody in the Christmas spirit.
The true motivation for today's visit came with one little boy who wanted to be a fireman for the day, which happened back in February. Not only has all of this put some joy back in the lives of kids who need it the most, but some of it has even rubbed off on the organizers.
We normally see people at their worst, whether it's car accidents or fires or EMS calls, and you know, this whole day was about making one special kid smile.
And it's amazing what a wish does. It takes the family out of the doctor's office, out of the thoughts of the illness.
Make-A-Wish is a big part of our lives, and he was so excited just to know that we were coming here to see Santa, and he was able to speak to him.
Make-A-Wish was founded in our area back in 1992 and has granted over 150 wishes every year. In addition to today's event, Macy's contributes to the organization in some big ways, and you can help. It's as easy as writing a Christmas wish letter.
For every letter you bring to Macy's and put it in that Macy's mailbox, they donate $1 up to $1 million to Make-A-Wish.
It's really nice to see him so happy and able to do these kinds of things and growing, and it's just amazing.
The Western New York Make-A-Wish has provided 2,000 wishes since 1992. In addition to the visit from Santa, the kids enjoyed hot chocolate, donuts, and a tour of the fire station.